Hello everyone! Welcome back to Story Time with Hajra. Today we are reading Sesame Street. Keep Trying with Abby. So, let's get started. What is persistence? Sometimes we don't get something right on the first try. Persistence means not giving up. I don't get all my magic right, but I keep trying. Keep trying. Doing something new can feel scary, but new things help us grow. When did you try something new? Maybe you can't do something yet. Keep trying. Practice helps us get better. I tried and tried until I could finally do a ballet spin. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes helps us learn. When we try again, we can fix them. I practice until I get most of the notes right. Break big goals into small steps. Think of getting dressed. First, you put on your shirt, then pants, and then socks. What is another task that you can break into parts? If you can't do something at first, make a new plan. Try solving a problem in a different way. Think about a time you solved a problem. What did you do? Our parents, teachers, and friends care about us. They can help us reach our goals. I skate slowly and hold Arnie's hand. I can't go fast yet. When we keep trying, we can master new skills. That makes us feel good. Elmo learned the ABCs and how each letter sounds. Now Elmo loves to read. Persistence helps us focus, practice, and keep trying. When we keep trying, we can make our most magical dreams come true. Be a buddy. With a friend, build a tall block tower. If it falls over, try again. Talk about different ways to make your tower strong.